WordPress landing page creation instructions. Welcome back to our channel. This is How to Boss. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to cover. WordPress landing page creation instructions. So without further ado, let's dive into our video. So first, go to our Google Chrome. And then let's go to this one. How to create a landing page with WordPress. So here, create a landing page with WordPress. And a well-designed landing page is crucial for capturing leads, promoting products or services, and driving conversions. WordPress, being a popular and user-friendly website builder, offers numerous tools and plugins to create stunning landing pages. And in this tutorial, we'll guide you through step-by-step through the process creating a high-converting landing page using WordPress. From selecting a theme to design the layout, integrating forms, and optimizing conversions, we'll cover. This is what we need to do. So first, let's read a article about the WordPress. So what is a landing page? Right here, a landing page is a standalone page created for a specific advertising, email, social media, or marketing campaign. User coming from this source will land on this page first, which is why it is called a landing page. So upon checking here, as you can see, the method one is how to create a landing page in WordPress using block editor. So no plugins required. If you're using a black theme, then you can design a custom landing page using a full site editor. This allows you to create a landing page using the tools you're already familiar with. So this method doesn't work with any WordPress theme. So here, click on page, and this icon right here, and then create WordPress black editor, and then you can now edit the headings, the description, patterns, and also you can change these areas for your WordPress blog. And method 2 is creating a WordPress landing page using SeedProd. So the easiest way to make a landing page is by using SeedProd. It is the best page builder on the market and allows you to create any type of landing page without writing code. So here, go to your WordPress and upload SeedProd, and then verify your license key here. So once you verify, add new landing page, as you can see right here, and then click on this plus icon, and now choose this template. And as you can see here, you can change your page name and the page URL. As you can see, once you've done editing the interface, you can now save the progress and add the text. Add more text right here to make it more visualizing and appealing. There is also a countdown. So let's try to create our own after this small explanations. And also method 3 is creating a landing page in Versing using Thrive Architect. So here, let's try to create our own landing page using WordPress. Let's go to our new tab on WordPress, create your website or blog, get started. You can now, before you get started, you have to create an account, so you can enter your email address or just connect it with your Google. So I'm gonna click on my Google account. Now it's creating account. So here we have a WordPress account already, so let's log into this account. For the password, let's type in our password now. Hit enter. Or with Google. So here, create a new account. Or let's just log in. So let's get the link for this one. If you have connected your Google account to your WordPress account, you can send it right here and then log into wordpress.com. So here, continue to work with WordPress. So here we have the new interface for our WordPress. So here, let's go and create a new website for us for sample tutorials. So here, let's go to, by the way guys, this is for payments. Let's go back, all sites, add new site. So we can create our own landing page. Let's generate this. Then optimal data center or custom data center. So for me, optimal. Choose your favorite WordPress. So here, it's gonna get you paid or for business and for commerce. Right here, as you can see, this is paid account. So let's go back to the article and let's try themes. Right here. So it's not generating for me, but if you have already created, you can follow these steps right here. Try themes, connect, active campaign. And here you can see active campaign connected register. There are lots of settings that you have to work with, but after you've done that, don't forget to save your work. So here, we hope you found this tutorial on WordPress landing page creation helpful and informative. With WordPress' powerful features and customization options, you can create engaging and effective landing pages to boost your online presence. Remember to focus on a clear and compelling message, optimize your page for speed and mobile devices, and test different elements to maximize conversions. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative and valuable insights and tutorials. Thanks for watching guys, and we will see you on the next video.